So one of the more common comments I get from sellers is, I want to sell my house as is. And I understand, because you don't want to do any repairs, but I usually advise against it. And if you want to know why, I'll tell you, and I think you'll agree with me after I'm done with this. So if you put yourself in the position of the buyer and you're looking at all the different homes out there that you want to go look at, and you see one that's being sold as is, most of the time the first assumption is, oh, this home has major work that needs to be done and the seller's not willing to do it. So it's right off the bat, you're going to have fewer showings. Fewer showings means more time on the market before you actually get an offer. The second part of that is, when you get an offer, the buyer's making an offer based on perceived value. So if they perceive that there's going to be repairs or issues, or the seller's not willing to do repairs, they're generally going to come in with a lower offer than they would otherwise pay. So I would say, just offer your house and let the buyer do inspections, and if there's any repairs they want made, then you can consider doing those at that time, because if that buyer wants it, it stands to reason other buyers are going to want it done too. So you're going to cost yourself extra time on the market. You're probably going to get a lower net by advertising the house as is. And if you really want to get top dollar for the home, I'd recommend taking a look at our certified pre-owned home program, where we just do inspections up front, make the major repairs, and those homes tend to sell pretty close to asking price. I'll do another video about certified pre-owned. If you have questions, you should check those out. And if you do want to get in touch with me, have any questions, feel free to call or text me 803-528-3336. Brandon Hoffman, working here in the greater Columbia area of South Carolina. Thank you very much.